Oh,
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Akash. I'm your physical education teacher and football coach. So basically till now we have learned in track and field starting stance, theoretical part and the fouls in track. Right now I'm explaining you the fouls in field events. So what are the field events? Basically field events are the events which includes throwing events in which the events happens in field area. Right now I am standing in the sector which is used for shot put, discus throw and hammer throw. As you can see, I am standing inside the sector. So what are the precautions we have to take before doing any field events? Like before doing the event shot put, so we are taking example of shot put. Like suppose I have a shot put in my hand. Okay, I have throw the shot put. Now what precautions I have to do is I will not walk in front of the sector. If I walk front of the sector, it will called as a foul and I will be disqualified for that event. Okay, so what I have to do is after the throw of shot put, I have to walk behind the sector. Like in my hand there is shot put, I have thrown the shot put. Now I have to walk behind the sector. Same, the rules are followed for the shot put, discus throw and hammer throw. Okay. Okay. After the shot put, now we have jumping events in track. Right now I'm standing beside the long jump pit. As you can see, we have a pit. So dimensions of the pit is 3 meter in breadth and 10 meter in length. And for the run up, we have to run about 45 meter. Then the takeoff board. Okay, so the takeoff board plays 1 meter away from the long jump pit. So what are the precautions we have to take while jumping? And the fouls is, see, suppose this is our takeoff board. If I place my foot on the board, then it will be good. If my leg cross the takeoff board, then it will be called as a foul. So this is not correct and this will be count foul. Now the second foul is, suppose if I take a jump, if I go back, so it will also count as a foul. After jump I have to walk in front of the pit. Okay, so students, that's all for the today.